Okay, folks, at this center, you're going to be converting terminating decimals into fractions in their simplest forms. So the first thing we should remember is that terminating decimals means that the decimals, well, they terminate, they end. Okay, they don't repeat. So because of this, we're allowed to use the place value of the last digit to determine what the denominator is going to be. So the 5 right here, that 5 right there, is in the thousandths. In the thousandths place. So that means our denominator is going to be 1,000. What goes in the numerator? Well, we take the 275. But we have to make sure that this is in the simplest form. And what I notice is that the numerator ends with a 5 and the denominator ends with a 0. So that means I can reduce this fraction by a factor of 5. And when I do that, 275 divided by 5 is going to equal 55. And when I do 1,000 divided by 5, that's going to equal 200. But again, I see this ends with a 5, that ends with a 0. So again, I can do a factor of 5 for reducing. So 55 divided by 5 is 11. And 200 divided by 5 is 40. 11 is prime, and it does not go into 40. There's only one little thing that I'm missing from my answer to make sure that it's correct. And that is the negative sign. So come down here, and we see that negative 0.275, which is read as negative 275 thousandths, becomes 275 over 1,000, and then reduces down to negative 11 over 40.